central Georgia area.
Come on.
This afternoon, windy. Showers and thunderstorms.
All right.
This afternoon, then partly sunny.
I'm putting my phone down.
Highs in the mid-70s. Southwest.
We got TOA number 60 in effect. I'm just. Let me just look at the Madison scale discussion real quick. Hold on.
Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s.
Oh, it's pushing all the way in here. Hold on.
15 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
Oh, there we go. We got. Stupid thing! Oh, there we go.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 60 until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Bartow, Floyd, Gordon, Jackson, and Cherokee, Alabama. Following counties are tornado watch notifications are favorable for the development of severe weather, tornadoes, large hail, severe weather, including tornadoes, large area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should stay in weather conditions and listen for later statements and partial warnings. Stay tuned to know what is the latest commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service. West Central Georgia listening area. This afternoon, windy. Showers and thunderstorms. Until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impact. Afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s.
Okay. Ow. TOA 60, we got it. So, yeah. Oh my god.
Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for County, northwestern Georgia, Walker County, Georgia, County in northwestern Georgia until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Chatsworth to north Columbus City, 30 miles per hour.
Oh, wait. Whoa. Holy shit.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations include Lafayette, Ringgold, Trenton, Fort Oglethorpe, Rossville, Chickamauga, Lookout Mountain, Chattanooga Valley, Lafayette, Center Post, Spring, Fairview, Chattanooga Valley, Hooker, Cloudland Canyon State Park, Cooper Heights, Rock Spring, Rising Farm. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Standard Time for northwestern Georgia. For your
It's gonna cut off.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to wind magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage.
Yep, cut off.
The National Weather. Light rain was
Alright, where's my freaking phone? Hold on. Okay, I really had to rush up to grab my freaking camera. I want to see the damage on my phone real quick. Any camera damage? Hold up. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. But yeah, like, I just got up, like, got off of my bed, tried to reach my camera, and my freaking phone launched to the ground. What a great start for this series, eh? What just happened? Wait, Birmingham, right? Yep. Oh, yep. Of course.
Central Standard Time. 12:57 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm along the line extending from near Gadsden Mall to near Raglan, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, ferries, and trees. Locations impacted in Jacksonville, Piedmont, Center, Cedar Bluff, Little River Canyon National Preserve, Forney, Center Municipal Airport, Weaver, Leesburg, San Rockville, Cherokee Rock Village, Pleasant Gap, Cornwall, Furnace, Bland, Eastern West Lake, and Alexandria. A tornado warning to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the county in northwestern Georgia, Walker County in northwestern Georgia, Bay County in northwestern Georgia, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:25 p.m. Eastern.
Alright. I was just about to leave!
Until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And 2:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hold on.
Southside, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rome, Somerville, Tryon, Cave Spring, Lively, Menlo, Etna, Sedona, Suttonville, Tidings, until 5 p.m. Northwestern Georgia. Remain for a possible tornado. Here for storms. Into the basement or small room in the structure. For your emergency to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see damage, hail or flooding, wait until those moments pass, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664 as your report and Atlanta. Remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 4 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia: Marlow, Chattooga, Heard, Paulding, and Pope.
Alright.
Following counties.
What's this?
What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts.
Oh, they've upgraded the high wind warning.
Miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Georgia. When? Until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles.
Shut up, phone.
People should avoid
Jeez.
being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid
Oh, that's
windows.
BMX Birmingham.
Use caution if you must drive. Tornado watch number 61.
Okay, in Birmingham. Oh, no, wait.
National Weather Service. Northwestern Holding County.
There we go.
In northwestern Georgia. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Holding County in northwestern Georgia, Harrison County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Hope County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expected tornado warning in effect until 5.
Oh, they canceled for Whitfield.
Cedartown, Buchanan, Bremen, Rockmart, Lee, Tallapoosa,
Wait. Oh, I'm in this storm, by the way. Tornado possible.
Adam Hill, Antioch, Van Wyck and Sunny. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northwestern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damage, hail and flooding. Wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to report at NWS Atlanta.
Okay, just want to give you guys an update. What just happened? That power just went out. What? Oh, okay. Whoa! What? Where?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for northern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, southern Gilmer County in north-central
Cherokee.
Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Ranger, Oregon, 10 miles east of Calhoun. Another area of rotation was located 4 miles northwest of Pine Log. Both areas were moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Oh, real quick.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations of impacted include Jasper, Ellijay, Nelson, East Ellijay, Talking Rock, Fairmount, Ranger, Sequoia Lake, Talna, Marble Hill, Fawcett Lake, Carter Cay, Salatoa Valley, Kisga, Blaine, Lake Tamarack, Talmadge, Oakman, Jake, and Funhouse.
Hey, there's a tornado warning in your area.
Cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a street
Yeah, there's a tornado warning in your area right now.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home,
did you record it?
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying
Can you record that for me and show it to me?
Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Wow, okay.
Take cover now.
What? Okay, doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, west-central Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Murray County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, eastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Pickens County in north-central Georgia, Union County in north-central Georgia, Fannin County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Big Frog Mountain to near Tails Creek to Simonville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Good Lord.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Jasper, Ellijay, Blue Ridge, Laresville, Nelson, East Ellijay, Morganton, Talking Rock, such as Fairmount, Ranger, Amicalola Falls State Park, Jones Mill, Jones Creek, Kilhutta Wilderness, Fawcett Lake, Pisgah, Willow Bluff, Talmadge, and Cherry Log. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central and northwestern Georgia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central Georgia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection,
Of course it cuts off.
the National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chattanooga. 70 degrees, dew point 50.
Okay. As I was saying, the power just went out. I had that reset, including my security camera. Everything just, like, completely just went out. So I have to get everything back on. I gotta get my NWS Buchanan live broadcast feed back on and everything. So, yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, eastern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, eastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. At 3:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, your thunderstorms were located along the line from Farmville to Sackville, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Kenton, Cartersville, Dallas, Buchanan, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Riverwood, Holly Springs, Bremen, Temple, Rockmart, Harley, Highland, Tallapoosa, Emerson, Falls Round, Nelson, and Arrowhead. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central and northwestern Georgia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The severe thunderstorm warning for Floyd County is canceled until 5 p.m. Eastern.
County in north central Georgia until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms along a line extending from near Doherty to Hightower, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. And penny-sized hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage.
Whoa, heavy rain.
Lightning, and trees.
Let me go back up here real quick.
Impacted include Claremont, Greenville, and Walnut Creek. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central and northeastern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Tornado Watch number 61 for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements.
When is it going to go off?
Stay tuned to radio outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There we go. The hell?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Paulding County in
What the hell?
northwest Cobb County in north central Georgia, Cobb County.
Oh no, don't tell me.
Northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Douglas County in north central.
It's glitching.
Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kennesaw to Abilene, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Yeah, it's still glitching.
Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Greta, Smyrna, Chatsworth, Villa Rica, Powder Springs, Austell, Hiram, and Lithia Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central and northwestern Georgia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on
there another
the floor of a building.
Oh, good lord.
If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Were located along a line extending from Camp Coleman Lake to Auraria, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Has breeze 6 inches and rising, 4 p.m. in Atlanta, and now. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dahlonega, Cleveland, Helen, Unicoi State Park, Whitley Gap Shelter, Robertstown, Coleman Lake, Auraria, Anaruby Falls, Garland, Leaf, Smith-Galwood Conservation R, Turner's Corner, Sutee, Palachi Lake, and Batesville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central and northeastern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service...
Alright, I got everything, so I gotta get going to the next one.
The National Weather Service thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, north-central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Hall County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Roswell, or near Mountain Park, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour.
Jesus.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Cumming, Dawsonville, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Milton, Woodstock, Sugar Hill, Suwanee, Buford, Holly Springs, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Rest Haven, Free Home, Doherty, and Mount Bethel. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The severe thunderstorm warning